A good pair of headphones for pure audio listening can go for around $150, but not everyone has that kind of budget, or they want something that looks cooler. Gaming headphones would be the solution, but the ones going for under $50 do look nice and comfy in their stock photos, even implying having some high-level audio, but fall short in real life, looking much cheaper and hollow. That's where these come into play. The new EKSA StarEngine Pro and the HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headphones. In the StarEngine Pro gaming headset, we get the case that has the headphones in it. This soft case seems pretty basic but useful too. It's nice and soft, and it'll be easy to carry around in a backpack versus like a hardcover case. And not to mention, this will at least keep your headphones clean. A user manual, and then in these two little flaps, you have the rest of the accessories, including a detachable microphone, a USB to aux cable, a USB-C to C adapter with a strap here, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter. There's also a quick little card that tells you if there's any problems, how you can connect it properly, or to make sure it works, the sound or the microphone. So these are the headphones themselves, and they look really nice. And the foam cushion pads are very soft. It's going to be nice to wear for some time. You have the Eksa logo on the top with some green stitches for aesthetics. And not to mention, this also lights up as well. On the bottom you have the volume rocker, the microphone mute button to mute and unmute. This is the button you use to turn on the lights or turn it off too. And then down here is a USB-C port and then a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is where you can put in the microphone, just like so, and it can be moved. It's pretty versatile overall, which is very nice. The head pad on top also has some pretty decent cushion here, all around, not just on one area. This right here is the HyperX Cloud 2. In the box, you have a customer service guide where you can contact them, then a user guide, and then in the box, you have some foam caps, which are really nice. They feel really soft. It's nice and smooth. And then the headphones itself with a cable, a aux cable. It's not detachable on this one. This also has a detachable cable that's versatile, can be moved in different ways, that you put on the bottom here. Simply plug in and you're ready to go. And really nothing else on the side there. And then you have another piece that can be used for controls right in here. Think of it as a 2-in-1. This can be used as an extension cable that has a USB-A port at the end. You can put your 3.5mm headphone jack on top, and there's a clip on here. Really useful with controls on the front to power up, volume down for the microphone and the headphones. And then in the middle is the 7.1 stereo sound. The ear cups are not as soft. They are soft, but they're not as thick as the StarEngine gaming headsets. This still does feel nice, and my favorite feature is the fact that this is bendable, so it'll last for quite some time, which is really nice. It can handle some more wear, in my opinion, from what I can tell here. The surround sound really works when you're using this because there is a DSP sound card included in here. In general, the Cloud 2s have larger drivers than the Eksa headphones, and the sound is pretty nice here. The Eksa has dual chamber drivers, which can differentiate the mids and highs from the bass, preventing distortion and bringing clarity. Both headphones have pretty good surround sound and sound in general, decent noise cancelling mics, being compatible with most gaming platforms if not all of them, but the Cloud 2 gets a few more points for being a bit louder. The Eksa has dedicated equalizer software that's available on the website. The HyperCloud's biggest advantage is that it feels comfortable for longer periods, and my ears don't get hot either, so I personally choose these for gaming. Looks may be subjective, but I think most of us can agree that the Eksa gaming headset looks really cool, and if you're a streamer, you should definitely consider these. Think about when you're streaming. Would it look better to have green headphones that light up, which also may look aesthetically pleasing with your setup, or keep something more sophisticated where you can have a longer cable like the HyperX Cloud 2? I like the controls on the Eksa being available on the headphones because it feels easier and almost more natural to adjust the volume or switch to surround sound when gaming. Also, if you're on a tight budget, then that's another reason to consider these, because at the time of making this video, they are cheaper than the alternative, and the company has even given me a coupon for one directly on their website. The links will be down below.